I was working at Home Depot selling paints while I was in school studying economics. Last year we did $250,000 in revenue. I mean, I would have done last year like $10,000 if it wasn't for all the learnings that I had from Contractor Excellence. Let's say I could find somebody that doesn't know what they're going to do, kind of like me. I didn't really know where I was heading to. If I can help anybody like that come in and give them some kind of guidance, that'd be absolutely amazing.
How's that impacted you? You talked about SOPs, you talked about things that you didn't have at first, and being with Contractor Excellence, right? How's that helped you, impact you, and how has that helped you project your business moving forward? All right, guys, hey, welcome to the Mercado Method again. I know you guys are used to seeing us here for a long form, but what I wanted to do today is I'm actually doing a fly-in coaching program. And a part of my fly-in coaching program is when I come in for half a day or full day to work with you guys on site. So I want to introduce you today with my guest. His name is Gerry. He's actually the proud owner of Barron Painting. Gerry, welcome to the call today and everything we're doing, man. So tell me a little bit, what got you into painting? What was it that made you want to get into the painting industry?
So it's kind of long story short, I was working at Home Depot selling paints while I was in school studying economics. So, kind of went from there, graduated school. Sherwin Williams was like, hey, you can work for us and you can make a lot of money. And I saw what they were paying and I was like, let's do it. I didn't have money during the time. I was like eating bananas every day kind of thing. If like, that's it.
Very much.
So they were paying me good, got into Sherwin Williams, really loved it. It was extremely awesome, but I saw that there was so much opportunity on the people that were shopping there. I'm like, wow, they got their own schedules pretty much. They take vacations whenever they want and all this good stuff. So I decided, you know what, let me start painting. So I started painting on the side because I had a friend that was buying paint at Sherwin Williams and he's like, hey, help me out with a couple projects. I said, okay. So me and my brother started painting with him. And all of a sudden we're like, this is some good money. Yeah. So we started doing that, but we quickly found out, you know what? This is a lot of work. It's a lot of work. So we started just building a team of people that were really good at painting. We knew about all the products and we just kind of collaborated together and started making it happen.
Nice.
Of course, when I first started, I was kind of like, here, they're like all over the place. I didn't really have a system. I didn't have nothing. It was just like what I thought was the right way to do it. And I quickly found out those people that were coming in, taking vacations whenever they wanted, having their own schedules and stuff, they didn't really have a system either. So now I'm really realizing if you really want to get to the top, you really want to get to the goals that you're setting for yourself, you got to be all in at all times.
Yeah. So it's not something that you could just clock in, clock out, right? Like being an owner in the painting industry, right? There's so many other different positions you have to worry about, right? So going back into the first question, right? And I appreciate you breaking that down, but like go deeper on like, I know you mentioned the school, going to Sherwin Williams, but why painting though? Like, why did you choose painting? That way we can talk to the audience and let them know like how that's going to shift and everything else for you.
No, to be honest with you, it's just something that I really, really, truly believe that God led me to. Be honest with you, it was like, I studied economics. I really thought I was going to do something with like the government, that kind of thing. But God had different plans for me, and it's like some way, somehow, like things just started aligning for me.
Yeah,
and it just kind of like called my name.
Okay.
And I said, you know what? I got to go with it. I got to go with my calling. So this is kind of my calling. Great people got into my life and it was like, what a coincidence.
Right.
Like, as such as yourself, like, and you're one of those folks. So, that's just really like, I truly believe that if you're going to do anything, do it very good, become the best at it. And painting is just my calling and I want to be the best at it.
Nice. So looking like a 5-year and a 10-year term and like what you're trying to build for bar painting, what's the next vision for bar painting? What does that look like for you?
I mean, we want to be playing with the big dogs out here, right?
Okay.
And we're already competing. We're such a young company still, and we're competing with like companies that's been around for many, many years.
Yeah.
So that's super awesome. And we just want to like have our name out there, have everybody talking about us, have vans rolling around. You can see us everywhere. Shoot, I would even like to have, billboards right next to Rafi, So,
Yeah. Rafi, you heard that here on the pod. We want to be right next to you. So I love that.
no, we can work together.
Now, what's that going to do? Obviously, getting more vans, growing the business. What exactly is that going to impact in your life and your people? What's that look like? Because I know you're a visionary, right? But I know you're about your people and the impact of people. So, like, what does that look like for you?
That's the biggest thing, helping the people that are helping me out, right? With
Yeah.
this business, because I don't look at it as, oh yeah, these are my workers, these are my painters. Like, no, I mean, we're like a team, we're a family, and we help each other out. I truly believe in the win-win.
Yep.
Like if it's a win-win, like let's do it. And I truly want that for everybody in my business. Um, you know, being bigger, having more jobs creates consistency in their work, and just wanted to create like more opportunities. Like let's say I could find somebody that doesn't know what they're going to do, kind of like me. I didn't really know where I was heading to. If I can help anybody like that, come in and give them some kind of guidance and help them out for their future,
Yeah.
that'd be absolutely amazing. Like, I believe it's more than just painting, yes, this is a painting company, but it's really just, it's a vehicle that we use to help other people, whether it's helping the customers, get a job done right, that so they don't have to worry about anything, peace of mind,
Yes. Yes.
but also helping the people that are helping us, like our workers, everybody that's involved, our accountants, our office admins, project managers, anybody involved. It's just awesome. It's awesome to be able to have that impact on people, and that's something that I've always wanted to do. Even if when I didn't know what I wanted to do, I knew I wanted to have an impact,
I love that.
positive impact.
Yeah. So when I'm hearing this, right, it's the same thing with my journey. Like painting was nothing of my interest at all. But I noticed that when I was able to shift someone's life, that turned into my passion. And I see that's the impact that you want to do with everyone else, which I love that about you. So we talked about a 5-year vision for bar painting. We talked about people. We've talked about impact and purpose, right? So I just recorded a podcast with Dr. Rosner yesterday, and she said, purpose is the vehicle, right? But passion is the fuel to the vehicle, right? So like the painting company is the vehicle. Now your passion is actually instilling in people and you're using this vehicle to help them out, right? So I think that's super valuable, and that's why you're successful already. You're seeing the wins now, but imagine what that's gonna look like in 5 years as you stay aligned within that, right? So super proud of you. So we're gonna move a little forward on that too. How's that impacted you? You talked about SOPs, you talked about things that you didn't have at first, and being with Contractor Excellence, right? How's that helped you, impact you, and how has that helped you project your business moving forward?
Well, to be completely honest with you, because a lot of people ask me that too. I'm like, dude, if I was never involved with Contractor Excellence, I mean, you wouldn't see this level of success, right? I feel like I have fast forwarded 20 years into the future.
Nice.
And so, I mean, it's completely changed everything. There's absolutely no way that nobody can really get to like where I'm at right now in such a short period
Yeah.
without any help like Contractor Excellence. So, I mean, it's been completely a game changer when it comes to SOPs. The mindset is completely huge on that.
Yeah, yeah.
SOPs, mindset, time management, sales training,
Yes,
that
yes.
helped me out a lot. Like that has helped us out a lot with having more work for our people. That's been completely awesome. So it's just a game changer. I couldn't imagine. I know what life would be without it. And I'll tell you what life would be without it. I would probably still possibly paint a little bit because I don't do any painting.
Yeah.
You don't want me to do the painting. I'm very detailed, but I am very, very slow because I don't really do it. So I would still probably be painting. We would probably do like one job a month. And instead of like last year, which was like our first year, last year we did $250,000 in revenue. I mean, I would have done last year like $10,000.
Yeah.
You know, if it wasn't for all the learnings that I had from Contractor Excellence.
Nice, nice. You mentioned mindset. So I talk about the ultimate SOP, which is shifting your operating patterns, right? So when you hear mindset, and what was the biggest learning lesson you took from the mindset from our group coaching? What did that tell you?
So, I mean, there's so many different things, but there's so many quotes that you have given us and that I use daily. You know, like the grass is greener where you water it, not on the other side. It's where you water it.
Yeah.
You know, even like when it comes to GSNR,
Yeah.
right? Like
Yeah.
goal set and review, that kind of stuff. Like these are all like little different things that I never even thought about. You know, I've read books, do all that stuff, but it's very different when you have somebody that's telling you this stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. So the mindset also, as far as instead of thinking I have to do this, it's like no, you get to do it.
Yes.
This is a good opportunity. Like
Yeah.
every opportunity, no matter if it's bad or if it's even if it's great, like it's always an opportunity to get better
Yeah.
and to learn from. Like we've had a lot of, I don't know if I could cuss here, but we had a lot of bad situations here.
Yeah.
Um, when I say a lot, maybe like a couple where it's like anybody would have probably quit, right?
Mhm.
And we're like, no, this is actually a great opportunity to learn for the next time.
Yes.
So, I mean, just like that mindset shift really helped me out. But guess what? It's not just helping me out, it's helping my team out.
Yes. Yes.
Because you say 1 + 1 = 3. And I completely agree with that 100%. And that's like something that I'm very passionate about too, that, you know, I'm leveling up myself, but it's helping me level up the people around me.
Yes.
That's a blessing in itself. Like if I wasn't getting paid any money at all, just that alone is worth it.
Yeah, yeah. I love the abundance mindset you have. And if you guys hear what he said, there's frameworks that he's using, there's tools that we've implemented. You got to remember, we already naturally do these things, right? But we don't have a tool to actually reteach it. So just like you said, 1 + 1 = 3. The grass is greener where you water it, right? Because you know, as you put more time and energy in it, that's where you're going to get the results. What a lot of people do is they get so much friction and the wall keeps getting in their way, they just give up. And they haven't given it enough time to win. That's the problem, right? So we're going to wrap up here. I want to ask you one last question. If you could go back to the younger Gerry, what would you tell the younger self? And what do I mean by the younger self? I would say, let's say between 7 to 8 years old Gerry. What would you tell him? Knowing that you know now, what would you tell him now?
That you will see it.
You will see it.
You will
Okay.
see success.
You will-
You will see happiness. That's super huge because that was a time that, you know, I was going through stuff, you know, deaths of people that I really like, super impactful for me and kind of depressed, you know. So if older me told younger Gerry that
Yeah.
back then,
Yeah.
it's okay. It's going to be okay. You will see happiness and you will see it.
Yes.
You will see success. You will see happiness. That would have put me at ease, you know? So
I love that for you. So I'm going to encourage you. I always ask this question, so I'm going to do a little bit of hypnotherapy with that. Today, I want you to go back to yourself and give that to him when you have a moment to self and tell him, yes, it's going to be okay. Yes, you're going to be successful. Yes, you're going to be able to move forward. And I think that'll be helpful for a self-audit today. Is that a deal?
deal.
All right, man. Guys, you heard it here at the Mercado Method. This is our new mini series here. The owner of Bar Painting in Phoenix, Arizona. Gerry, where could they find you so they could follow you and have fun and see your journey?
Well, we got my personal account, which let me pull it up because I'm not 100%.
Don't worry about it. We'll put you on the link. So we'll put the link on there on your personal account. If you guys want to find him on Bar Painting, right, on IG, and then we'll put his personal account, his other accounts on there on the link below. Gerry, is there anything else you want to say, or are you good?
If you're watching this and you're not a part of Contractor Excellence, please do yourself a big favor and get involved, please. Like it'll change your life and the people around you. So
Love it. You guys heard it from the man. We'll see you soon. Peace. My man, let's go.